Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh, guys. Oh! If I just do the other side, I'll have bangs. Free curtain bangs. A tutorial by me. It looks so bad. Okay, I at least have to even it out. Hello? I could just never leave anything alone. I will never learn to leave anything alone. And you know what? I had a bad feeling about buying this hair dye. But have I ever listened to any gut feeling I've ever had ever? No. That's why I've been in 5 car accidents. I look like my name is Bradley and I go surfing. I'm gonna walk around like this? I'm just supposed to go out in public? Looking like a fucking Barbie doll that was in the wrong place at the wrong time when a toddler learned how to use scissors. I know I pissed off God real bad in a past life. Actually, I can't even blame it on that. I'm just too fucking stupid.
Cara, mais ou menos aqui assim. Ai, meu Deus, ai, meu Deus, ai, meu Deus, ai, meu Deus.
Always #test before dyeing hair. Grading haircuts from my school, Part 1. Fire. What I wanted. The process. It started steaming. Me scared. Some hair fell out. It's orange, no? Bleach again.
That's how you do it, shit.
Oh wait,
like...
it's kinda cute. Purple.
Okay, so 5 minutes ago I decided that I absolutely have to dye this part of my hair blonde and then put bluish toner in it. And if I don't, I will die, so. And due to previous breakage, I will be dyeing all of this black, but let's go take care of this. Also, it is now the age of Aquarius, so there's really no better time. Why my hand look like a dinosaur claw? I don't have any gloves either, but I think this is good. Probably should have taken my black sweatshirt off too, so. Also, if you have yet to manifest today, get on it. I'm going to be the hottest and most successful I have ever been. Oh. Alright, doing this part too, it's a power move. My mom's gonna be really mad about this one. Okay, time for round 2. Day 2, toning this. Black does not want to come out of this. Hoping this blue shampoo will make it silver. Alright, mom to the rescue. Okay, I changed my mind again.
There you go. Woo, boy. Y'all know you ain't playing with me.
Not at all.
All 2021, man. Hey, where that brush at?
Here you go. Here you go.
Woo, boy, man. What the hell?
That's $100.
$100 for what?
For all that, you say you wanted to look sharp, and you know what I'm saying, for all the product.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Get your bald head ass up out of my chair. Go on. After you pay me $100.
I'm literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got.
How to make your friend look like a K-pop singer. Step 1, grab the perm. Step 2, grab jumbo curl rod. Step 3, grab tissue paper. Step 4, grab glove. Step 5, grab a towel. Step 6, Find a willing participant. Josh?
Huh?
Can I give you a Korean perm?
I'm not Korean, I'm Filipino.
That doesn't matter. Make willing participants sit down. Sit down. Step 6, add activator to wave lotion carefully. Put the top back on and mix it. Step 7, grab a spray box. Step 8, damp hair. Step 8, comb hair into a mushroom. Take a piece of tissue and lay hair on top. Take the rod and gently roll it up. Bam! Step 9, take some cotton. Wrap cotton around the base of your head. I do. Step 10, add perm wave lotion to add bag and let it bake for about an hour and a half. Step 11, remove bag.
Please tell me that's not my...
Does anyone remember when I cut my hair little by little every day to see if anyone in my family would notice? And I legit cut like 7 inches off of my hair and no one noticed, so I went to get it dyed blonde and still they did not notice, so we had to show them the TikTok video. So yeah, I decided to try it again once my hair grew out again, and I accidentally cut way too much off, so I was like, I'll just do one dramatic cut. They'll definitely notice this time, like my mom said she noticed if I did it again. Yeah, right. I cut it and it's been like a week and they still have not noticed.
I'm literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got.
So I wanted to get my hair perm as close to these natural curls as could achieve. A consultation, $550, over 5 hours, and my hair damaged straight, not curled, bad waves. It got so much worse because they chose to wash it and Hagrid.
I'm literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got.
You took the guard off.
Oh my god, yeah, I took the guard off.
I didn't know you.
I thought my haircut was gonna be good. Right.
Shit.
Remember when I dyed my hair like pink and I had to bleach it and stuff? Well, because of that, look what I can do now underneath my head.
We're sorry, Radmondo. Oh, I think that's Berkeley.
What? That's so fucking hot.
Stop
I'm about to cut my bangs, and if you don't watch this and I do this for nothing, it's gonna be kind of sad, but I'm hoping that I like it anyways. I'll do it here. Right here? Should I do it here? Should I do it here, babe?
I'm not saying.
I'll do it.
Oh.
Okay.
You wanted to cuss.
Nuh-uh. Holy shoot fire. Oh gosh.
Children, it's time for a story about COVID hair fail. 'Twas the beginning of COVID, and I was living. We had unicorn hair. It had length and it was so beautiful and spicy. But then, I went to a salon as soon as they opened up. And here's what happened. Now, step one on our journey is this absolute fucking disaster. I asked for bangs and this bitch gave me a bowl cut and dyed my hair some awful green ass color. She said she could fix it with extensions. I shit you not, this happened at a salon. Like, an actual salon. And the damage was so great that I had to shave my head.